Today is boat day. Justin has been busy this morning. He's already put the boat on the slip, which we're a bit gutted about because we wanted to get loads of footage for you guys, but it is what it is. There she is, look, ready to go. We just got to sort the dinghy out on the outboard motor and then we'll be ready to be on the sea. So what are we doing now, Luce?
We're going to get the dinghy out and we're going to blow it up with the electric pump.
And then get the outboard motor and put the outboard motor on it. But yeah, it's too hot to be pumping the boat up, so the electric pump is the better way.
It's a beautiful day though, so we've got enough electricity, so that's awesome.
I just have to add here that Lucy with her man feet pushed me way too far, so I had to use the oars. Such a pleb. Although, look at those oar skills. Yippee. That felt good. First time on the water. Woohoo! We're just waiting for the tide to come in off so that the boat can get towed to the mooring ball and then we'll be going to the boat. A bit of background on Justin. Justin is the person who owns the boatyard, but he also does the lifting in and lifting out and taking the boats to the mooring ball. In order for him to get the boat to the mooring ball, he has to tie rope to the front cleat of the boat. Once he's done this, he's ready to tow the boat to the mooring ball. Boat is on its mooring ball. We're now going to the boat. It's going to be amazing. So the outboard motor is out up there and I've just replaced the spark plugs. Replaced one. I didn't know they had two on it, so I'll replace the other one next time. But now I'm having my dinner. Chocolate spread butties and some crisps. Very nice.
Yummy! We had a really busy day today, checking over the boat and making sure everything was sweet. Everything was absolutely fine, so we are now ready to sail tomorrow. We honestly can't wait. The wind is going to be really good, so that's going to be a plus side to it. We're going to have a great first day sailing. Good morning, guys. Today's the day we go sailing. We're so excited. The weather is really good. The wind's better than yesterday, which is great. Let's go sailing.
Wind's going to be about 15 knots, gusting to about 17, 20. So it's going to be practicing tacking and manoeuvring. Maybe an anchor and have a bit of a picnic, because they're the things we need to practice. And we've got snubbers now as well.
Thank you to our patron Alan for buying us the snubbers. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you also want to support us, head over to Patreon.
Yeah, thank you, dude. We really appreciate it. Thank you. But we're going to start packing the bag now, and then we're going to head over there.
Done. Now we're ready to go sailing.
So we've got the cable that goes on that red spot there. So Lucy's walking back now to go get it. Come in there.
Let's go! There you go.
Just gonna go set the jib up. We're on 2.4 meters of depth. We're ready to go. We just gotta do all this first. Set up the boat. Because the wind is coming directly upriver, we can't sail, so we've got the motor on. But going back, we will be able to sail. We're tacking up the river, guys. We're so happy. We're just using the Genoa at the moment. No mainsail. Too windy.
Tide has turned now, so we're on our way back to the mooring ball. We've just passed all the lovely boats. The sea state is a bit worse than it was, but we're making progress, so we're happy.
It's been an absolute cracking day. We've definitely learned more. Just an overall good day. I proper enjoyed it. My hands are hurting now. I've got rope burn. I need to have a look at the map. Probably see you on the mooring ball. We're on the mooring ball and we're going back to the pontoon now. The weather has come in. The weather has filled in quite nicely. It's a bit rocky here, so we're actually really looking forward to getting back on the pontoon.
And having some tea because we're starving Marvin. Hopefully it'll be better weather tomorrow and not as wishy-washy, but we will see and you will find out with us. I'm practically running back to the van because I really need to wee.
We are here on the boat. Day 3 of sailing, or day 2. We just fixed the boom. The clip that was holding the rope boom up had broke yesterday during the sail. So we've just fixed that. I shall show you in a minute. I'll show you now actually. Let's go. So this here came off the clip there. Well, really it's attached to this. So I've kind of bodged it up so we can go sailing today. But then we will be fixing it properly. We'll probably just get another one of these clips because it's quite handy. And fixing it. Because really it's supposed to clip through there and onto the rope, but it's not doing. It's obviously clipping onto the boom and onto that. This is probably a better setup, but it might not be, so we're just doing it for now. And then we'll get the part that we need to fix it for next week. It's just a good shakedown, putting it through its paces. What do you think, Lucy?
It means if it breaks while we're sailing, it's not a big issue because it means that we need something else to properly fix it.
It's cloudy today and quite windy, but it's not as windy as it was yesterday. Very, very gloomy.
The wind direction isn't the best for us to get out of the river. We're going to try and tack down the river because of the way the wind direction is, but it's good because we need practice anyway.
Right, I need to set up the head sail and take this sail cover off. This is our head sail. This is the genoa that we're going to put up. So first of all, this is the track, which it says but you can't see. You clip the clip to the track, and then you've got these little clips. You start clipping these onto the wire. Quite easy. It's a bit time consuming. The wind has changed. It's no longer going to be 18 knots. It's going to be about 16. So less than yesterday, and that obviously clips onto your halyard. That's ready to go. Just got to put the ropes on to this toe. Pretty sure it's the toe.
One thing we've learned while owning a boat is to never let go of these, which are called halyards, because it means you have to climb all the way up to the mast to go and get it back down, which is quite annoying. Luckily we did it while the boat was on land, and it's when we first owned the boat. We've learnt from that.
For instance, that one is clipped onto the sail, and the other one is clipped onto the boat. We shall never lose you, because it goes all the way up there. I usually without.
We were just starting the engine like normal and realised there's a little tear in the rope to start the engine. Just there.
I've put a knot in it. If that breaks, can't start the engine.
That's the knot he's talking about that he's done.
You can take this top off and you can replace the rope. So maybe in the future we might do that. I don't know. We'll have to see. The beauty of going out regularly means that we get to find all these hiccups. So when we do go on longer sails, we're well prepared.
We've had a really good day sailing today. We're very tired now, but I'm really proud of us too, because we did really well today. We managed to anchor for the first successful anchor we've ever done. I'm kind of sad that we're leaving tomorrow, but we will be back.
My legs are hurting, my arms are hurting, everything's hurting. But we're going to make tea. I've just finished cutting up the onions and tomatoes. The rice is cooking and the pork loin steaks are pretty much done.
They look good. So hungry.
It's going to look so good.
Look how bloody gorgeous that looks. Oh my god, I can't wait to get it in my tummy.
That's it from us, guys.